Rahim sallallahu ala habibi Muhammad wa alayhi wa sallam. Dear students, today we will study this direct passage and then we will change it into indirect one. Okay? Let's come in. The direct passage is why you are putting up the food in your pocket. Sir, asked the nobleman. And who did ask to? Who did he ask to? He asked to Sheikh Sadi. So Sheikh Sadi is over here, understood. Okay? The word Sheikh Sadi is understood over here. Okay, so we'll convert it like this. The nobleman asked Sheikh Sadi. Sir is translated into or converted like this, respectfully. Instead of sir, we'll write respectfully. Why you are. Which person pronoun is it? According to? It will be changed according to?
Object of the report.
Object, it means it will go up here, that is object, that is
Sheikh.
Sheikh Sadi. Okay, Sheikh Sadi means? He. Okay? The nobleman asked Sheikh Sadi respectfully why. And Sheikh Sadi means he, and it is also subjective case. So same subjective case will be over here. Clear? Why and why was? Is a mark changes into?
Was.
Was putting up the food. Why his? Why his? Because of your again according to change will be changed according to Sheikh Sadi. According to object. Object is Sheikh Sadi. Okay? And Sheikh Sadi means he. And your is, I think, which case it is?
Possessive case.
Possessive case. And possessive case of he is?
His.
His. That's the reason there is his over here. Clear? Are you getting my point? Putting up the food in his pocket. No, is it okay? Is this line okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Should we go next? And next one is, I'm doing the right thing. Why my dress deserves the rich dishes. Let's underline the pronouns. I, and there is another pronoun, my. Which case it is? I is a subjective case. It will be changed according to?
Subject of the report.
This is the subject. It means he. Okay, it will be replaced with he. And then my. Again, which case it? Which pronoun it is?
First person pronoun.
And possessive case, PC we can write it PC. Okay? And it will be again changed according to this one. And there is possessive case of he is his. Clear? So Sheikh Sadi replied that to remove
Inverted commas.
commas. This one he over here, I replace with he. Clear?
Yes, sir.
He and is a mark changes into?
Was.
Was. Okay, that was am, it changed into was. Was doing the right thing. Okay? And then we'll have to connect the next sentence.
And he
next
added.
statement. And he added, or simply we can write and he and added, like this one. If we write and he added, that's okay. If we write simply and added, that is also okay. And added, again, to remove the inverted commas, we'll write this one.
That.
I think we have already removed the inverted commas. And he added, this is I think just to show the reason, to show another reason. And he added that his, why this his?
My.
I think my my will be changed into
His.
his. Okay. And my is first person case, possession case. It will be changed according to Sheikh Sadi. Okay. And Sheikh Sadi means he, and it will be his. Okay. That his dress deserved. It was deserved, and it will be changed into deserved. In reported speech, there was first person, and in reporting speech, there was present tense, and there was past tense in reporting speech. Okay, if there is past tense in reported speech, present tense reporting speech, and present tense in reported speech. Okay, so we change it to change the first form into second form. That's the reason it will be deserved. His dress deserved the
What is the meaning?
rich dishes. Deserve mean you deserve it.
Deserve. I know that. Rich dish.
Rich dishes mean good quality dishes. Okay. Rich dishes mean good quality dishes having you can say
Outstanding dress.
rich dishes I'm talking.
So why we
You
use
go to the party.
His dress deserves.
his dress deserve the red
He
dishes?
was putting the rich dishes, and I think he was putting up the food in his pocket. Sheikh Sadi replied that he was doing the right thing, and he added that his dress deserved the rich dishes.
Please place line. What is the meaning?
Okay,
This line.
that his dress deserved the rich dishes. Basically, let me tell you, there is an incident behind it. Okay, once Sheikh Sadi went to a party in a quite casual dress. Okay, and everybody neglected him. Everybody started hating him. That he was in quite casual dress. He was in a layman's dress. When you go to a party, dress counts a lot. Okay, and when you are wearing a top class dress, everybody welcomes you. I will sir, please sit down. You are wearing a good dress, a costly dress, expensive dress. But Sheikh Sadi went to a party with a normal, rather we can say a below normal dress. Okay? And everybody started nudging him, pushing him. You just go, leave this party, please. Considering him as poor man. Next day, he came to the same party with top class dress. He wore a top class dress. Everybody was welcoming him. Okay? That's the reason Sheikh Sadi started putting the food inside the pocket of the dress. Okay? And also the dishes. And he wanted to show the people that you people do not respect me, you respect this dress only. Okay? Human beings should be respected, not the dress. And the fashion is people respect the dress. When somebody is good looking or wearing a good dress, everybody, start welcoming. When you are wearing an ordinary dress like the poor people wear, okay, what so happens is that they do not welcome you. This is the, still it is happening. It is still happening. People recognize you by appearance. No, what did you understand?
Yes.
That his dress deserved the rich dishes. Okay. So they were not giving him meal or things like that, or they were not offering him food. When he was wearing below normal dress, like poor man's dress. When he wore rich man's dress, everybody was offering him food. He started putting inside the pot. You are giving this food to my dress, not me. Clear?
Okay, sir.
He wanted to show.
Get to your point.
Rich. The nobleman requested Sheikh Sadi to tell him clearly. Oh, okay, next one. Okay, please tell me clearly what you mean to say. I think I will explain it
Yes.
up till here. Please tell me clearly what you mean to say, said the nobleman to Sheikh Sadi. Definitely, it's understood. Clear? So it will be the nobleman requested Sheikh Sadi. And it's starting with verb That's the reason we would, place that to remove the inverted comma. We'll simply write to and then tell. To tell him,
Sir, tell. Not tell.
to tell. There is to and then I think it's you can say infinitive. With infinitive, this changes. Reported speech is starting with a verb or helping verb. If reported speech starts with a verb or helping verb, we do not place that. We simply convert it like this, okay, using the infinitive. To tell him, and this him came from
Sheikh
the double
Sadiq.
then clearly you. It will be changed according to
Sheikh Sadiq.
Sheikh Sadi.
Yes.
Yes, it will be changed according to this one. Sheikh Sadi. Okay? Sheikh Sadi means he. And it's objective case. Objective case of he is him. That's the reason it's him over here. Are you getting my point? To tell him clearly what he mean will be. Second form of mean is meant. Meant to say. That's it. Previous day I taught you something about let me show you the photographs. Said refer. One of my students, she was not satisfied and I myself was a bit dissatisfied and I consulted again the resources. Okay, I came to know that it should be converted like this. She suggested showing him the photographs. This is one way to convert it. Okay, this will be changed into she. Rifat means she. So let means to suggest or to request. She suggested showing him the photographs, or she suggested that she should show him the photograph. Photo. Now, may I ask you the cross questions? Or is it okay? Time is, I think, over. Okay, then, if you have any question or queries in your mind, you may ask.
Let me show you the photograph. Please explain.
Later on, after this video, because she might be tired.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.